Welcome to my review of Méridien Makkah, a 5-star hotel located just steps away from Masjid Al-Haram, offering one of the most convenient stays for pilgrims. If you're looking for a hotel with Haram view rooms and quick access to King Abdul Aziz Gate, this is one of the top choices. Check-in was smooth and efficient, staff were polite and professional. The reception area is modern with a peaceful ambiance. The room was spacious, clean, and well designed for both comfort and function. We had a partial Haram view, which added a spiritual charm to our stay, especially during prayer times. Amenities like complimentary tea, coffee, toiletries, and prayer mats were all provided. Overall, Méridien Makkah is a fantastic choice if you're looking for luxury and proximity to the Haram. Highly recommended for families, couples, and solo travelers doing Umrah or Hajj. Would I stay here again? Absolutely, for the convenience, comfort, and quality service. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more travel and hotel reviews, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my upcoming Makkah and Medina vlogs.